Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by diagnosing whether the Mazda CX5 screen issue is electrical or software. Visually inspect the fuse box for the NAV or ACC fuse and check if the 15A fuse is blown. Use a multimeter to verify 12V at the screen power connector while ignition is on. No voltage indicates wiring or fuse fault. Note the symptom: a completely black screen, intermittent flicker, vertical lines, or a frozen menu. Those clues tell you whether to pursue fuse, connector, or software solutions next. If the hardware has power, try soft fixes before disassembly. Force a restart by pressing and holding the infotainment power and volume buttons together for 10 seconds to reboot the unit. If that fails, disconnect the negative battery cable for 10 minutes to clear residual power and reset ECUs and modules. If reboots do not restore function, download the official MZD Connect update to a USB drive and apply the firmware update, or have the dealer reflash the unit to eliminate software corruption. For hardware repair, start by removing dash trim using plastic pry tools to avoid scratching. Unfasten the 4 mounting screws that secure the head unit, slide the unit out, and carefully disconnect the power connector and the flat ribbon touchscreen harness. Replace the display assembly with an OEM or high-quality aftermarket screen, noting typical parts cost of $50 to $00. Reinstall screws and trim, reconnect the negative battery cable, power up the vehicle, then perform touchscreen calibration and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.